Jump!
Si Engain Fee.
Just jump. Ready? 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. This is just another awesome adventure for us, you guys. It's so fun to do these crazy things with your husband. So much memories. I swear to God, you're the most handsome. Babe, you're so cute. Guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good night.
Hi guys.
We are still away on vacation. We still away on our week break visiting family and friends. Tyler, you're not in any talking mood, right? Hi, baby. Look at his face. No? Say hello. Say hi. Well, Tyler is pissed at the world right now. Funny story, you guys. This morning when I comb my hair, my husband came in the room and says, if I feel like a punk this morning. He's so funny. Well, I guess I am a punk. You know, it's the first time combing my hair like this. No, that's not true. I comb my hair like this when it was much shorter.
It looks like you shaved.
Like I shaved the side of my head?
Yeah.
I just felt this look this morning. I was about to put it in one, and then when I pushed back the side, I think it looked really cute, so I said, alright, I'm just gonna pin it up. And I think I love how it turned out. It looks so cute. So we are still away on vacation, and we are now heading to the mall because 2 Christmas gifts that we bought are wrong sizes, and I'll take full responsibility and full blame for that. It's so my fault, because my judgment, I thought they would fit, but unfortunately it didn't fit. So what we plan on doing is, instead of taking them back home and exchanging them, what we're going to do is buy them something totally different, rewrap and re-gift. Okay, no, it's not re-gift and then gift. So we are going to the mall to get that done, and then we're going to see my brother-in-law and my sister-in-law, and then later in the afternoon we're going to see one of Babe's friend. So we are out and about and busy as usual. So hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and hope you guys are still enjoying the holidays. It's the eve of New Year's Eve, so the road is still kind of busy, or I guess it's usual traffic or whatnot. But hope you guys are enjoying the holidays still, and we'll catch up with you guys in a bit. To get lunch real quick, so I'm having fries and oven fried jerk, fried beef. Babe, what you having? What's that? Steak?
Yeah, it's a type of steak.
Steak and fries and mashed potato. And look who's still sleeping. So you're gonna eat sleep. Ah, of course, Mommy gonna leave fries for you. So we're gonna enjoy our food real quick and we'll catch you guys in a bit. So we're actually following this blue mark right here. So we're trying to go up here. Oh, meow. Yes. Maman. Maman. Uh-oh. I'm sure it's steps to go all the way up.
Mais peut-être qu'on peut aller par là.
Oh, you're really gonna carry him up? Look at Tyler laughing. You guys, we've been trying to work out all the crazy things that we've been eating, so this is a good workout. Look at them struggling. And I'm dying. I'm so dying right now. These hills are crazy, and these steps to go up, they're no joke. These steps are no joke. Tala, you're king. You're king, Tala. You're king. You guys, I'm dying right now. We reached to one point up these steps. Look at this. That's very pretty. These views in France are just simply amazing. You know, we're almost there. We're going up there. We're almost there. Come, let's go. Yeah, baby. What you stop for? You should continue. Woo! Woo! Oh man. Whoa. That's a long walk. Oh my god. Woo. Wow. Look at that. That's amazing. Wow. Beautiful. The sun is just slowly picking up at this point. The brothers. We're almost there, you guys. Just a little closer. We're almost there. Almost there.
C'était, peut-être que c'est plus, c'est le plus grand mine de la région PACA. Ok, bah, Nice est plus grand.
You're not cold. You're cold. Jump.
C'est un gars, une fille.
Just jump. Ready? 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. Babe and I just had so much fun jumping to catch a shot in here. This is just another awesome adventure for us, you guys. It's so fun to do these crazy things with your husband. So much memories. He's over there chit-chatting away with his brother right now. So yeah, I think this is as far as we can get to the castle. I don't know if we can go inside, but we're gonna try to see how far we can go and see if we can get inside or something. But yeah, it's a beautiful view up here, you guys. My brother-in-law is laughing at me because they know I'm crazy. Yeah. Mama. Mama. Hey. Yeah. You want the passy? He loves his uncle.
On va aller voir là-bas, mais il me semble qu'il y a des visites à faire.
Careful.
J'ai vu à l'office de tourisme qu'il y avait des visites. Alors je sais pas. On va aller faire le tour.
Yeah. Yes, baby. Yeah. Go, go, walk, go.
Dis maman, mais dis papa. Papa.
Go on. Go, Tala, go. Go, baby, go. Go, baby.
To go.
Yeah. Careful, careful. There's a step down. Slowly. Good boy. Yeah. Go. Run, baby, run. 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 I'm gonna cut you. 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 Go, baby. Go, baby. Oh. Go. Go. Catch my papa. Catch papa. Catch papa. Oh. You're drunk? He's like this. Go. 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 Whoa!
Encore?
Whoa! Yeah. Hey, go baby, go baby. You guys, we're looking at old pictures of Babe. I swear to God, you're the most handsome. Babe, you're so cute. Oh, which grade was that?
Oh, it's close to 12, maybe 12.
That's you right here. Baby, look how sweet you are. Oh, but baby, you have a girlfriend. Babe, why you leaning over the girl like that? Wait. Hold on. You have to hold up this one. Let me catch it properly.
Monique, tiens, regarde. Je parlais, ça doit être cabane, ça.
You guys, can you spot my husband in this one? He's right here in the white. Hold on. I need to get this properly. There he is in the white, leaning over his head onto that girl. They've been sleek long time. Oh my God, he is so darn handsome. He's so adorable. I can't.